Can you tell me about the slope and the y-intercept? The y-intercept is 4, and the slope is 2. And so this means that it touches the y-axis at 4, and it goes up 2 over 1. And I only want to graph it when x is less than 0. Okay, so I want to graph it over here. So here's how I do this. I'm going to go up to 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold on. I'm going to put a little scale on here. 1, 2, 3. So I know where I am. Okay. I am going to put this 4 on there, and at the x-axis I'm going to make it an open circle. And normally I would go up 2 over 1. Are you following where my pen is? But we're not drawing it. But I only want to draw it over here. How could I backtrack? Yeah, let's go down. Let's go down to back 1. And we don't need tons of points. That's good enough. Okay, so go ahead. Y-intercept of 4. It's an open circle. Go backwards. So go down 2 and left 1. You know what that really means? Because maybe you're thinking that's not a slope of 2. It is, because it's a slope of -2 over -1. And what is -2 over -1? Positive 2 still. Okay. All right. Done with that piece. Let's look at the middle one. Yay, flat line. Those are easy. Well, except it's not a flat line. It's just 3 when x equals 0. That's the only time. So this is the point 0, 3. Would you plot the point 0, 3? Plot the point 0, 3. I'm going to highlight it in blue because that's that part. Then it's 4 minus 2x when x is less than 0. Okay, so you guys tell me again, what are the slope and y-intercept of that line? Slope is -2. What's the y-intercept?
4.
So I'm going to start at 4, and I'm going to go down 2 over 1, and I'm going to go, did I just do this backwards? Crap. Fix this for me. Fix that symbol. This I'm going to do when x is greater than 0. Okay, so I'm going to go to the right. So here I go. I'm going to make it open, down 2 over 1. What does that kind of look like that we just studied? Yeah, absolute value with a little hole in the middle. Okay. Let's try some that are word problems that are piecewise, and I kind of alluded to this yesterday about maybe like parking garages, or sometimes admission for something is based on an age. So let's take a look at the bottom of page 12 at that example. Okay. And there's some ages on here. Do you see that?
Yeah.
All right. And this is their admission. So this is the admission function. Let's graph it first, and then we're going to make an equation for it, okay? 5 years old and under are free. How many dollars do they pay? 0. So I'm going to go, here's 5, where my pen is. I am going to make their admission 0. And so I'm going to put a flat line at 0. A closed dot at 0 and 5. And this is down here. It might be hard to see. Children between 5 years and 12 years are $10. From 12 to 18 is $25. So really what this means is older than 5, younger than 12. So these are going to be open circles. And how much is their admission?
10.
So I'm going to do a flat line of 10, and I'm going to make it go from 5 up to 12. Okay. From 12 years, that means including 12 years and 18 years, it should say to 18 years, is $25. And do you guys know that technically when you turn 18, you're considered an adult?
Yeah.
Just crazy. Some of you are only a couple years away. So what I'm saying for this is I'm going to put a closed circle on 12 up to 18 years because you're not an adult yet. So that's going to be an open circle. And I'm going to make that a flat line of 25. So if you are 12 up to 18, you pay $25. 17, you're a kid. And then when you turn 18, you're considered an adult. What's that? Well, here's the deal. Legally you are. I don't know what the stinking restaurants do to get their money. But all right. Adults are $35. So you're considered an adult at 18 legally. And that's going to be forever. Not forever. Eventually it'll stop, but I'm not going to put a stopping point. Okay. Okay. So that's how you graph that. Can somebody help me? I didn't ask you to, but let's practice. What if I asked for the admission based on the age X? What was this bottom piece? This is 0, right? When X was 0 to 5? What was the next piece? Well, it was from 5 to 12. That's what we're going to put here. But how much was the admission? 10. When your age is bigger than 5 and less than 12. Then it was 25 when your age was 12. So notice that's why I did a underline under there. Up to 18. And then 35 when your age is over 18.